So our next set of question, let's see here. 2004 2 marks question, it was asked which pair identifies a tree uniquely. See, I have already told you pre-order, in order, post order, in order. These two are important. These two, with the help of these two pairs we can identify. So pre and post not possible, in order and post order possible, pre-order in order possible. But here another question is another option is there, level order and post order. Level order is nothing but BFS. Okay, so we will do BFS in graph, so this is also not possible. So our correct options are 2 and 3. So now let's see our next question here. There are the numbers 1 2 to n are inserted into a BS tree in some order, this not in this order but in some order, and sorry, so hello, so my phone was creating problems, that's why I wasn't able to complete the previous video. So now let's look on to the question which was done whole. So now let's see here that the number of the numbers are 1 2 to n are inserted in a BS tree in some order, and the right subtree contains p nodes. So right subtree has p nodes, and the first node to be inserted in the tree must be, so right subtree has p nodes and the left subtree has n minus p and minus 1 for root. N are total number of nodes and p for right subtree and for 1 for root. So what will be the next node which will be inserted? So let's see, n minus p minus 1 just plus 1, add 1. So our the node which will be added after after inserting, now the first node to be inserted in the tree must be n minus 1. So this is our answer. So okay, our next question is here. In this question it is in order is this, pre-order is this given, which will be the tree? You have to find out from all the 4 options. You know that from in order and pre-order you can uniquely identify a tree because we have these two. So what I will suggest is that a question like this you should save time for the questions which are tricky. So this is easy questions, so don't go and find in order and pre-order for all the trees. What you should do is, in order is given, pre-order is given, just draw the tree, which will be time saving in case of the questions where you need more time. So in order, pre-order is A, so we find the root left right. So A is our root, put A here, all this B C in left subtree and D in right subtree. So now B is our root, this is our root, so C will be here and there. So this is our tree, our answer is D.